Morning everyone, welcome back ma. In the last class we have completed the exercise 2.1. Yes or no? Yeah, exercise 1 we have completed and I have given the 7th problem as homework. I hope everyone did that problem. Okay, that is important problem ma. Just do once again and do practice also. Clear? Next we'll see a new topic, that is multiplication of a fraction. Okay, in the last class we have seen about the addition and subtraction of fractions. Now we'll see the multiplication of fraction. See, suppose if you are having a fraction like this, 4 into 2 by 7, this is your multiplication of fraction. This is your fraction, this fraction you should multiply with 4. How can you multiply that fraction, tell me? See, 4 is in numerator. If nothing is there in denominator, what is this? You should be think as it is 1. Yes or no? Now just do the multiply both. Numerators with numerator and denominator with denominator. Okay. 4 2s are 8 and 1 7s are 7. That is your multiplication of fraction. This is how you have to do the multiplication of fraction. Clear? In for whole numbers means for whole number just like this, if you are having the numbers like this, if you multiply these two, you will get as 20. It is very easy to multiply. But coming to the fraction, you have to do like this. Okay, means 5 into 4 times you should add 5 groups with how many times? 4 times. Okay, clear? That is how you have to do about whole numbers and fractions. Okay, regarding this topic, the whole exercise will depends upon your this type means like this only. See here, one example is there. See, we know that the area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Yes or no? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. If the length and breadth of a rectangular are 6 centimeters and 5 centimeters is given, then what will be its area? Obviously we know that area of rectangle is nothing but L into B, that is 6 into 5. 6 into 5 is nothing but 6 5s are 30. Okay, this is a simple numericals. With simple numericals we'll find out the length of rectangle like this. Okay, if we are having length and breadth in case of fractions, how can we find out? See here, one more example is also given. If the length and breadth of a rectangular are, one is 6 centimeters and another one is this much respectively, what would be the area of that rectangle? See, he is given that length equal to 6 centimeters and breadth equal to how much? He is given to 1 by 3. Okay, this is in mixed fraction. First you have to convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction. Yes or no? Yeah, that is nothing but 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 is your proper fraction. Okay, now area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. What is length here? 6. 6 into what is breadth? 7 by 3. Okay, now see here, it will cancel. Yes or no? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay, now finally you are having 2 into 7. 2 into 7 is nothing but 2 7s are 14. Okay, this is your 14 centimeters square. This is your area of your given rectangle. Clear? Yes. Next. Yeah, here see, example 4. Nazia has 20 marbles. Reshma has 1 by 5th of the number of marbles that Reshma has 1 by 5th of the number of marbles that Nazia has. Okay, actually Nazia has 20 marbles. With that marbles, Reshma has 1 by 5th of the 20 marbles. Okay, but how many marbles does Reshma have? Now he is asking that Reshma is having marbles and Nazia is also having marbles, but Reshma's marble is in terms of fraction. This terms of fraction you can convert into a proper number. Okay, that is how you have to find out the number of marbles having with Reshma. Clear? See, Reshma has total how many? 1 by 5th of the number of marbles that has Nazia. Yes or no? So Nazia marbles are 20. If you multiply these two, 5 1s are 5 4s are, you will get 1 into 4 is nothing but 4 marbles. Yes or no? Next. See example 5. In a family of 4 persons, 15 chapatis were consumed in a day. 1 by 5th of the chapatis were consumed by mother and 3 by 5th were consumed by children and the remaining were eaten by the father. Okay. ఒక ఫ్యామిలీలో 4 పర్సన్స్ ఉన్నారమ్మా. ఆ 4 పర్సన్స్ 15 చపాతీస్ చేశారు. ఓకే, ఫ్రమ్ దాట్ 15 చపాతీస్ 1/5 ఆఫ్ ద చపాతీస్ వర్ కన్జ్యూమ్డ్ బై మదర్. అంటే మదర్ 1/5 చపాతీస్ తీసుకున్నారు అండ్ చిల్డ్రన్ వచ్చేసి 3/5 చపాతీస్ తీసుకున్నారు. అండ్ రిమైనింగ్ వర్ ఈటన్ బై ది ఫాదర్. రిమైనింగ్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవి వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ తీసుకున్నాడు. ఓకేనా. నౌ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ హౌ మెనీ చపాతీస్ వర్ ఈటన్ బై ది మదర్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్లో ఇచ్చాడు బట్ యూ డోంట్ నో యాక్చువల్లీ హౌ మెనీ చపాతీస్ వర్ ఈటన్ బై హర్ బై మదర్. ఓకే, దట్ వన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ. హౌ కెన్ యూ డూ దట్ వన్? జస్ట్ 1/5 ఇంటూ 15 అవి రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే యూ విల్ గెట్ హౌ మెనీ చపాతీస్ వర్ ఈటన్ బై మదర్. ఓకే, సి 1/5 ఇంటూ 15, 5 1s 5 3s, టోటల్ 3 చపాతీస్ వర్ ఈటన్ బై మదర్. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్? హౌ మెనీ చపాతీస్ వర్ ఈటన్ బై ది చిల్డ్రన్. చిల్డ్రన్ ఎన్ని చపాతీస్ తీసుకున్నారు? 3/5 ఆఫ్ వర్ కన్జ్యూమ్డ్ బై ది చిల్డ్రన్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? దిస్ 3/5 షుడ్ మల్టిప్లై విత్ 15 చపాతీస్. యూ విల్ గెట్ ది రిమైనింగ్ మీన్స్ హౌ మెనీ చపాతీస్ వర్ ఈటన్ బై children. Yes or no? 3/15 into 15 is nothing but 5 1s 5 3s cancel. 3 into 3 you are having 3 3s 9 chapatis were eaten by children. Okay, next what fraction of the total chapatis has been eaten by the father. ఓకే, అంటే వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ టోటల్గా ఎన్ని చపాతీస్ తిన్నాడు అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఓకే, సో టోటల్గా ఉన్నది 15 చపాతీస్. 15 చపాతీస్లో 3 చపాతీస్ మదర్ తినింది, 9 చపాతీస్ చిల్డ్రన్స్ తిన్నారు. సో ఆ 15లో నుంచి ఇవి రెండు మైనస్ చేస్తే యూ విల్ గెట్ ది రిమైనింగ్ చపాతీస్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? అండ్ దాట్ కెన్ బి ఎక్స్ప్రెస్డ్ ఇన్ ది ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ క్వశ్చన్. సి 15 minus this 3 were eaten by mother and this 9 were eaten by children. So you should do subtraction with the means total overall chapatis. So finally you are having 3 chapatis. So this 3 chapatis you should do in fraction. Okay, fraction of chapatis eaten by father. Okay, so total 3 chapatis unnai. This 3 total chapatis, from that 3 total chapatis the total will be 15 chapatis. Yes or no? 3/15. This is your fraction. Okay, fraction divided by 15 chapatis to cheste you will get the fraction of chapatis eaten by father. Clear? These are your example problems, and after examples you are having exercise 2. Just see this exercise. Multiply the following, write the answer as a mixed fraction. Okay, already you know what is a mixed fraction. Okay, just you have to multiply that one and convert into a mixed fraction. See the first question, that is 3/6 into 10. Okay, 3/6 into 10. How can you multiply? If denominator is nothing there means you have to take it as 1. Okay, see here 3 10s are 30, 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Or else you should write in mixed fraction. Yes or no? 30/6 is your proper fraction. This 30/6 is you have to write in mixed fraction. Means how can you write? ఓకే, ఇది ప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్లో మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ మా? జస్ట్ డూ డివిజన్ ఫస్ట్. 6 into 30 you will get how much? 6 5s are 30. Yes or no? So you should write this as in mixed fraction, means okay, as 50/6. Means this, what is the quotient here? The quotient you have to write here, remainder you have to write and divided here. This is your mixed fraction. Clear? Next, see the second question. 1/3 into 4. Second one, 1/3 into 4. I said already the denominator you should take as 1. So total 4/3. 1 4s are 4, 3 1s are 3. Okay, now do division. How much you will get? 3 1s are 3, 1 is your remainder. So that remainder you should write in numerator, and the 6 means the dividend what is there you have to write in denominator, and this quotient you have to write here. 1/3 is your mixed fraction. Clear? That is how you have to write in your mixed fractions. Next, See the second question. The remaining bits, third bit, fourth bit and fifth bit, you have to do by your own. Okay. Next, second one, what you have to do. See first one, first question, 1/2 of the circles in box A. Okay. In box A, shade. You have to shade 1/2 of the circles in box A. So total how many circles are there in box A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total 12 circles are there in a box. In that box, half of the circles in box, you have to shade the half of the circles. Means, see, in a box, total you are having 12, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 1/2 of the circles means 1/2 into, first write down here the total number of circles equal to how much? 12. Okay. Therefore 1/2 of the circles equal to 1/2 into 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So total how many circles you have to shade? 6 circles. Therefore the shaded circles are 6. Write down like that. Okay. Therefore the shaded circles are 6. And you have to shade the circles also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? Like that you have to shade. See the second problem, 2/3 of the triangle in box. Okay. Means 2/3 of the triangle means total how many triangles are there? First check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 triangles. In that 9 triangles you should multiply with 2/3. Okay. Means 2/3 into 9. Okay. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 2 threes are 6. 6 triangles are there total. So you have to shade the triangles as 6. Clear? Total 6 triangles shade cheyali. Like that you have to do all and write down these steps also clearly in your classwork. Okay. Next, 3/5 of the rectangles in box. Total how many rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Means 3/5 into 15. 5 ones are 5 threes are. 3 threes are 9. 9 rectangle boxes you have to shade. Like that you have to do this one also. Right, do this one, fourth one also. See the third question, 1/3 of 12th. Okay, 1/3 of 12th means find 1/3 of 12. This is nothing but 1/3 into 12. Okay, of in the sense you should take as multiply into. Okay, now do 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. 4 is your answer. See the second one. What is given? 2/5 of 15. Okay. 2/5 into 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. 2 into 3 is your 6. Okay. That is your exercise 2 in your second chapter. So what you have to do after completion of exercise 1, just keep a side heading as multiplication of fractions and I gave you 2 examples, right? Write down that examples and write this one also. This example and this example write down. After that write down example 4 and 5. After that start exercise 2 and finish it off. We'll see in your next class about multiplication of fraction with a fraction. Okay. Up to here just complete your notes and get for the corrections. Okay. We'll meet in next class, ma. Thank you. Bye.